When you come to the Home and Garden Show, you can find just about anything from DIY designs, farm to table, furnaces, and even healthcare. Our Ion Health partners from AHN and Highmark have an exciting booth that you can't miss. It's right here on the second level, booth number 2932. And Allegheny Health Network President and CEO Cindy Hundorfean is here to share some exciting news that you can learn about right here.
What an appropriate place to be. Under construction. We have a lot of activity going on throughout the region, so it's fun to be able to share some of the work that we're doing right now.
Well, and some of that work includes $1 billion in investments.
That's right. That's right. The whole idea is to bring affordable, best-in-class treatment to all of Western Pennsylvania, and I think the patients and the Highmark members are really going to enjoy it.
Let's talk about some of that investment, because one of the things that I know AHN is really excited about is the Cancer Institute.
Yes. So we have our main cancer center, we're calling it the Academic Cancer Center at Allegheny General, is under construction. It will open probably by the end of this year, beginning of next year. It's going to be a beautiful center. It's going to be the hub of our cancer activities. We have a long-standing collaboration with Johns Hopkins Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center. We do a lot of work with them day in and day out. We do work on second opinions. We send some of our sickest patients there for second opinions. We do right now over 600 clinical research trials with Johns Hopkins. The Johns Hopkins physicians and our physicians are really kind of interchangeable, going to each other's facilities all the time. In addition to that, we're going to be building 5 new community cancer centers, which we're very excited about because they'll be embedded right into the communities, close to where the patients live, so they won't have to travel. We're going to be opening up our second community cancer center at Butler this Friday, which we're very excited about. We opened up our first one at Forbes in Monroeville about 3 weeks ago. We're going to be doing one in Beaver in May, one in Erie at St. Vincent's Hospital in November, and then by year end we'll have one open in Hempfield. So we're very excited about that.
Well, and it seems like on all levels too, right? From treating someone with cancer and to getting to the root of what's causing it, to finding a primary care physician.
That's right. That's right. So we're excited about that, and we're also doing an aggressive push for expansion of our emergency services. One of the things that we're very, very excited about is we're building what we call neighborhood hospitals out into our communities. Those will all be up and operational by the end of the year, and we're doing this in partnership with Ameris, a Texas-based corporation who is really the world expert in doing these. They have the highest level of patient satisfaction in the world for providing this kind of care. But these smaller format emergency departments will be embedded in the communities. There'll be 10 to 12 beds. You'll get highly personalized care by really top-notch physicians. In addition to that, we're doing renovations at some of our major hospitals. Jefferson, we've got a major renovation going on. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. And then we've also got renovation going on at St. Vincent's in Erie too. So we're giving patients what they need and what they deserve, not only for our current hospitals, but really embedding them in the community so that it'll be really, really convenient for them.
So you weren't kidding when you said that this booth kind of represents what you guys are doing right now.
It really does, yes. And then probably our signature piece that's going on right now, one of our biggest ones, is at Wexford. So we're building a new hospital in Pine Township.
Great.
It'll be 160 bed, all private rooms, top-notch, all acute care services, specialty services, operating rooms, robotic surgery, really neurosurgical care, orthopedics, anything that you could think of, and new labor and delivery rooms. But one of the things that we're very excited about is it's really going to be built around the patient experience. So when patients are in their rooms, picture this, they'll be in their bed, and they'll have so many controls at their fingertips. They can control their lights, the temperature of their room. They can talk to their physicians, their nurses via iPads on their beds. They'll have room service for meal delivery to their rooms. So we're really making it more like a hotel concierge service, and we've got all the right people working on this right now, so we're very excited about that one.
Well, I think that that's just what you need too. When you're in a place like that, when you're in the hospital, having a little bit of comfort.
I think so. Well, plus it'll be good for the patients and good for the families too.
Right. Cindy, thank you so much for explaining some of this.
Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you so much. And you can learn more too. You can stop by the booth here again on the second level of the David L. Lawrence Convention Center at the Home and Garden Show. It's booth 2932. And again, they will be here through March 10th as the show continues. And keep watching for our Ion Health series here on PTL, sponsored by Highmark, Blue Cross Blue Shield, together with Allegheny Health Network. David?